G'day guys, Ben from Pickering Caravans again. Okay, so next video in the tutorial process we've got, I'm going to talk about the power system in our Design RV Caravans. So most of them run a BM Pro unit, like this one here. It's called a Trek 3. And basically you've got 4 buttons down the right hand side here. So we've got a water droplet, which is our water pump on and off. So down here you'll see pump 1 and pump 2. There's only one pump in the Caravan, guys. So if I press the water droplet, it's turned the pump on, it'll pressurise and then cut out, but pump 1 is now on. So what that basically means is your whole plumbing system while we're free camping is now going to work. So we turn a tap on at the sink, our water filter tap, ensuite or shower, everything will run like normal. When you're in your caravan park or at home and you're plugged into town water pressure, we want to make sure that that pump is in the off position because everything will pressurise like normal. The next little button down the right hand side here is our light bulb. So the light bulb is basically just to backlight the screen. It'll go out eventually, so it'll backlight the screen so we can read the information at the push of a button. The next one along is our little home button. Now that will take you into the background and the settings in the system, so you want to avoid that one, guys. Don't hold that for too long. Last but not least, the battery right up the top here is an isolation switch. So if I push that, we lose all light and power into the Caravan. Coming to our left-hand side of the screen here, you'll see we've got tank 1 and tank 2 labelled, and they're full at the moment. So you can see the little lines going across those water droplets. That's to indicate both our water tanks are full. If you're in a semi-off-road model with Design RV or above, we do have a grey water tank fitted standard, and then they're an option in the touring vans. This particular van doesn't have one, but tank 4 would normally be set up to be the grey water tank, so it'll read as we're capturing that waste grey water. The next thing is on the top here, obviously you've got a readout for your time. This van happens to be plugged into 240 volt power at the moment, so it's telling me that we've got AC power connected. If we were outside in the sunlight not connected to power, we would have a reading here. So we'd have an amperage of the battery, so it's completely full at the moment at 13.6 volt, but we'd actually get an amperage read of what's coming in from the solar panel, and it would actually give you a time remaining at current consumption. All right, so that's a very brief explanation about the BM Pro Trek 3 system, guys, and how it operates and you use it. All right, we'll keep those videos coming. If you've got any suggestions, pop them in the comments below, give us a like and a follow, but that's it, bye for now.